Hey everybody, Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our retractable bed step on 1999 to 2007 Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras. Let's get into it. Our retractable bed step for 1999 to 2007 Chevy and GMC trucks makes it easy to hop on up into the bed of your truck, regardless of the circumstances. The step tucks up and out of the way when not in use, and you can easily extend it by stepping down on the pad when your hands are full and retract it when done. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this low-profile step makes it convenient to access the truck bed day in and day out. Whether you're loading gear, reaching for tools, or simply hopping into the bed, this is the simple upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video is for 1999 to 2007 Chevy and GMC trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
For assembly, the steps vary slightly for the main bracket installation depending on your vehicle model. First, we will go over the steps for 1500 trucks and then 25 and 3500 trucks. The rest of the steps for assembly are the same for each application. Follow this next section only if you have a 1500 truck. If not, skip to the next section. For 1500 trucks, we will use the spacer, the 3 longer 13mm bolts, 3 flat washers, and 3 lock washers. First, we will take the spacer provided in the kit and line it up with the holes on the top of the main bracket. Then, take the main bracket and line up the holes with the spacer. Using the 3 longer bolts provided in the kit with a lock washer and flat washer on each. Thread the shortest of the 3 bolts into the single hole, then thread the other 2 into the remaining holes next to each other. Tighten all the bolts down. Now we will go over the steps for a 25 and 3500 truck.
To start things off, I've got my linkage arm assembly in my main bracket. I'm going to take my main bracket and put it over the 3 threaded holes on my linkage arm assembly. Next, I'm going to take 2 13mm combo bolts and hand tighten them in the 2 threaded holes next to each other. Now I'm going to take the short 13mm hex bolt, a lock washer, and a flat washer and hand tighten it into the single threaded hole. Now I'm going to fully tighten these 3 bolts.
Now the rest of the assembly process will be the same for all vehicle models.
Now I'm going to take my assembly and just turn it this way, flip it like this. I'm going to take my support bracket and put the 2 holes on the support bracket over the 2 threaded holes on the main bracket. I'm going to hand tighten 2 13mm combo bolts. All right, I'm going to move this aside for a second. All right, we're going to bring in our step pad, flip it over like this to expose our 2 C channels. We're going to take our 4 T-bolts and slide 2 in each channel. I'm going to move this aside, come back over with our main assembly. We're going to take our step pad and put 1 T-bolt in each of the channels on the step here. Now we're going to take a flat washer and a nylon lock nut, tighten them down. Just hand tight for now because we're going to adjust the step pad later. Now we're going to take our pre-assembled step and head over to the rear bumper on the driver's side. Back on the driver's side near the rear bumper, we've got this bolt and these 2 nuts that we need to remove. We're going to start with this 15mm bolt. Remove these 2 18mm nuts. Once this nut's removed, you'll go ahead and remove the bolt plate behind it. With the OEM bolt plate removed, go ahead and take the bolt plate provided with your Boost Auto kit and place it where the old one was. With the bolt plate in place, we're going to take our retractable bed step assembly. On the main bracket, there's the 2 holes. Insert the 2 holes over the 2 studs from the bolt plate.
Now take a flat washer, lock washer, an 18mm nut for each stud, thread them on, and hand tighten the nut.
Now take the 1 remaining long 16mm hex bolt with a lock washer and flat washer and fully tighten it down. Now fully tighten the 2 18mm nuts. fully tighten the two 13mm combo bolts, attaching the support bracket to the main bracket. The last step is going to be adjusting your step pad to your liking, and then tightening down the four 13mm nylon lock nuts. After you tighten those nuts, your step is ready to go. That about wraps it up for the installation of our retractable bed step on 1999 to 2007 Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras. If you're a fan of that bed step, head on over to boostauto.com to check out all we have to offer for your build today, such as these cab lights or these tow mirror lights. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.